Good morning everyone, this is Mayank Jhanji here, and if you see this is what we spoke yesterday, that there is a kind of a support level which exists around 25 odd thousand level on Nifty. It, if you see here, it basically on two different days made a similar kind of low. One low happened on the day of 21st January when it made a low of 24919, and then yesterday it made a low of 24932. So now so we have very clear kind of some levels which are now coming up. What are those levels? The first level is closure about 25 odd thousand. That is very, very important. So from the bull's perspective, if I'm a bull, if I'm going long right now, my stop loss is either close below 25,000 or intraday में trade below 24900. This is my case for any kind of bullish position. Now that's exactly the vice versa which we think as a bear now. So the four scenarios are: what if I am already long? If I'm already long on Nifty, then my target should be, I should target for 25700, because now I am sitting in an advantageous position. What should my stop loss? My stop loss should be either close below 25,000 or it trades below 24,900. We close around 25175, I think, for the day. So that's a very small, if I say target, because that is small target, because my stop loss is just 175 points away, while my target is around 500 points away, and I'm already making some money out of it. What if I'm want to go long with a fresh position? So fresh buy. So fresh buy entry should be, if I get somewhere around 25,100. The same concept, my target in this case would be same 25,000. I would say 25,600. I should really target for. So that's where my next kind of resistance comes into picture. And my stop loss is same, close below 25,000 or trade below 24,900. That's my level. We have to go. If I'm already sold Nifty, let's suppose I'm already sold. In this case, my stop loss should be 25,350. And I can't wait for 25600 to come, so I'll quit before that. And my target should be at least I should book like some of my profits at 25,000, because that's where the support may again come. Or I'll just wait whether it really surpasses back, it really goes below 24900. So that happens, then I opens up the floodgate towards, this is where the floodgate opens towards 24500. So I will be sitting on a very nice profit because of my existing sell position. We have to go fresh sell. Then my entry should be close same, so close below 25,000 or trade below 24900. My SL is, I'll say 25050, and my target is 24500. So again, I am very I opened up myself to a nice profits with very, very less risk on my trade. On Nifty Bank, Nifty Bank is little, I would say, hazy because it broke the key support levels, a day before yesterday on Friday. It has recovered back and again has moved into this particular nice trading range again. So this is a Bank Nifty trading range. Now what's the range? Range is between 58900, which is this, and then it is 59800. So in this 1000-point range, the Bank Nifty has again moved back to that range. One key takeaway is that there is little support at around the low, this low on 21st Jan, which is around 58300. Yesterday also it has like briefly broken and then came back from these levels. So but yeah, we have a nice little support at 58300. So how should I trade? If I want to go for fresh buy, then my entry should be only greater than this range, which is 59900 Q per close. So it goes up and close above this, then I think opens up a channel. And if this happens, my target is 61,000 for Bank Nifty. And my stop loss would be, I put it around, below 559,400. So I'll make a nice risk and reward of 1:2. So I have 1 rupee to lose and I have 2 rupees to gain. Similarly, what if I want to go fresh? If I'm already long, then it's very clear. My stop loss is, I think, close below 58,900, and my target remains same. Is like I'll book some profit at 59800, and then I will leave half of a position for the further gains. If I'm already short, then my stop loss is clear, is 59800, and my target is that I'll book some profit at 58800, and then let's see whether the window opens up or not. If this window opens, for example, then I am definitely looking at the levels of around this, which is my next level is 550,000. So I am open up a nice little channel of 800 more points on Bank Nifty. Similarly, if I just speak about if I want to go fresh short. So since I'm in the channel right now, so I have two scenarios to work here. The first scenario is I'll enter at the upper end of this scenario, which is around 59,800. I'll put up a stop loss of 60,000, and I'll go to target of the lower band of the channel, which is around 58,900. Nice risk and reward. Second scenario could be that basically I enter when the Bank Nifty goes below this level, which is I enter at below 58,800. My target is 58,000, and my stop loss is 59,100. So I'll make a nice little risk reward of 1:2. So these are two ways I can go fresh short on Bank Nifty. So this is the overall analysis. I think we are just doing okay. I think yesterday our idea of going long has worked so far from these stop loss from this intraday levels, and hopefully we'll make some money in the coming days again. Thank you very much. Have a great day.